So today we're going to talk about this memory foam mat that we found on Amazon. I bought it for my daughter who is special needs, and so that we could have somewhere that was soft for her to lay on and that would help her be more comfortable when she's trying to lay down and play in the floor. It would also be great for guests, come in different sizes. This is a little bit smaller than a twin size, but they do have them like in a twin size and bigger. So I'll show you what they look like. So it's a tri-fold. The zipper does have a zipper to zip off. And so you can wash them. And even inside, the foam is still encased in another zipper that you can also zip off and wash. So I like the fact that you do have that ability to wash these if they do get dirty or stained. So there's different colors. We got the gray. So okay, so I've laid it out and I will show you how long it is. I'm 5'7", so I'll just show you for reference. So nice and comfortable, and like I said, it's a great option if you have guests or just want to have a movie night with family, or you have a child or a special needs child that needs somewhere that's more comfortable to lay on than just your hard floor. So just thought we would share our finds.